A hair mask or a deep conditioning treatment is very beneficial when it comes to our hair. So including a hair mask into your hair care routine is one of the best decisions you can make for your hair. Today, I will be showing you all how to make a homemade hair mask using ashwagandha powder and few more other ingredients. I'm starting off by measuring a half cup of the ashwagandha powder. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in to another video. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If you love all things DIY for your natural hair, I'm pretty sure you're going to love it here. So please check out this channel before exiting, okay? And if you love it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join this amazing family. It is absolutely free. All right family, let's continue. I'm using 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. After adding the coconut oil, I'm coming in now with my coconut milk. So to get this coconut milk to this consistency, I had to turn the can of coconut milk upside down to get this consistency. Coconut milk contains minerals, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that can help with hair growth and hair repair. So remember, to get your coconut milk to this consistency, all you have to do is turn the can of coconut milk upside down and let it sit for a few days. When you open the can, you are going to get this consistency of coconut milk, or you are going to get this form of coconut milk. The coconut milk usually comes in a watery form, so turning the can of coconut milk upside down will give you this consistency. I'm sorry y'all if I am a bit repetitive here. I'm just trying to get the information across. All right family, moving on to the aloe vera. I'm going to be using 1 aloe vera for this hair mask. So usually I will cut up my aloe vera into pieces. I did not do that today. All I did was to cut the end of the aloe vera. I put it in a cup of water and I just let it sit there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm now going to extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf. After doing so, I'm going to be transferring all of these ingredients into the blender, and then I will be adding one more DIY, and that is the fermented rice water. So keep watching to see how you can make this hair mask. Alright family, so here is the fermented rice water. To make the rice water, it is pretty easy to do. All you have to do is take a handful of rice, or maybe a cup. Not a cup is probably too much. A half cup of rice is enough to make your rice water. So when you get your measurement, you can put the rice into a bowl, wash the rice first thing, and then you can transfer it into the jar or wherever you're going to be storing it for the next few days. You can keep this for up to 24 hours, 48 hours, 3 days, 7 days. It is all up to you. I kept mine for 2 days. All right. Now I will say that the fermented rice water smells really horrible. So to tone the odor down, you can add orange peel. You can add essential oil of your choice. Okay. I didn't really care about the smell of the fermented water because I'm going to be adding it into other ingredients. But if you want to use the rice water alone all by itself and you don't like the odor, you can tone it down by adding essential oils. All right, so this is my hair mask. After blending, I have this very smooth and creamy consistency. I'm going to be applying this to my daughter's hair. Remember family, the hair mask has to be applied on a clean hair and scalp. I've already washed and conditioned my daughter's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this hair mask to her hair. I'm going to leave it on for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to use plain water to wash it off. Yes, plain water. I have gotten this question so many times. Do I have to use shampoo to wash off the hair mask? No, you don't have to use shampoo to wash off the hair mask. You can wash off the hair mask by using just water. Okay, water only. You don't have to use shampoo. So you can wait 45 minutes or you can wait 30 minutes. I usually like to wait after 45 minutes before washing off the hair mask or the deep conditioning treatment. All right, the rice water is really beneficial when it comes to promoting hair growth. Rice water can promote hair growth by strengthening the hair, delivering vitamins, minerals, and amino acid to the hair. It also can repair damaged hair, it can reduce frizz, and it can protect the hair from damage. So rice water is very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. The ashwagandha powder. I have used the ashwagandha powder a few times here, and some of you said that you use that or you have used it as it relates to your health and to your hair. When it comes to our health, ashwagandha powder is really great. It offers so many benefits to our body internally and the hair as well. It strengthens the hair. It helps with the reduction of hair loss. It prevents scalp issues, or it heals the scalp, preventing scalp issues. And you know, when you have scalp issues, you are going to experience some form of hair loss. So ashwagandha powder helps to heal the scalp. It is a natural antioxidant and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties. To aloe vera. Aloe vera is like that girl. Majority of us use aloe vera. I know some people are allergic to it, but I do believe there are other alternatives out there that you can use to care for your hair and to maintain the health of your hair. But aloe vera is really great when it comes to hair growth, when it comes to detangling your hair, when it comes to promoting hair growth, when it comes to strengthening your hair. It offers so many vitamins and minerals. It is just that girl, okay? When I'm tired and I don't want to prepare a hair mask, my go-to hair treatment is aloe vera. I just go ahead and, slice up my aloe vera, extract the gel, and apply it to the hair, and I get great benefits, okay? So aloe vera is one of the top treatment to use, I will say, when it comes to caring for the hair. It contains vitamin B12 and folic acid. Those two components help to keep the hair from falling out. It also contains vitamin A, C, and E. All of these vitamins can help to contribute to cell turnover, promoting a healthy cell growth. All right, so aloe vera, like I said, she is one of the top girl up there, okay? I just love it. I love aloe vera. And you can use it to naturally detangle your hair. I know some people use water, but if you don't want to use water, you can use aloe vera to naturally detangle the hair. The coconut oil. I know coconut oil is not a thing for everybody, so you can opt into using any oil of your choice, such as the grapeseed oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, any oil that your hair loves. Our hair loves coconut oil, so that's why I use it in majority of my DIYs. Coconut oil helps to strengthen the hair. It helps to improve scalp health. It also moisturizes the hair. It reduces split ends, and it helps to prevent protein loss in the hair. All right, y'all, if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Comment your favorite part of this video in the comment section. Remember, y'all, commenting and liking really help this channel. So if you want to see this channel succeed, then please go ahead and like this video and comment. All right, also don't forget to share this video to a friend or family member or someone you think that might benefit from watching this video. How often do you use a hair mask? I like to use a hair mask on wash day. So every wash day I like to make a hair mask. If I'm tired, like I said earlier, my go-to hair treatment is aloe vera. Thank you all for stopping by, family. I really do appreciate you guys. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.